How you going, guys? And welcome to another episode of Skullcam. In this episode of Skullcam, we'll be swapping out this frame with the frame on the pocket dirt bike, because if you've seen in part 1, 2 or 3 of the previous videos, you guys will know that it's broken where the suspension goes onto the frame. Right there, back to the bench. I've brought the frame inside after giving it a degrease and hosing it down. I've dried it off, and now it's time to give it a spray with WD-40 to stop any rust and loosen up any seized parts. It smells good, looks clean, and so does the bench. We've got some tools laid out. I'm going to start stripping the bike down and cut back to you after I've done a bit of work. About an hour later, I finally got it stripped down, and now we can transfer all the pieces onto the other frame. Before I put the parts on, I'm just going to give them a clean up with WD-40 and a wire brush to get rid of some of the rust. Here's the fuel tank. It turned out a bit cleaner. There's the exhaust on the new frame. I got the shocky on there, which was the main problem with the other frame. The engine's in, check it out. There's the front end on, getting closer. I've gotten the back wheel on, and now we're at the point where it's almost ready to start up. There's a couple of things to go, like the fuel tank, the rear brake caliper. Get that cover back on there, quickly sort out a few of these cables. And before I end this video, we're going to try and start it up. The fuel tank's on. We just got to find a couple of bolts and also get the fuel line on there. I also got the brake caliper on. Done. Let's stick it down on the floor and take a closer look. That's enough of that. Let's start it up. Turn the choke on, give it a prime up. And just wait, I've got to get the glove. I forgot the glove. And that brings us to the end of the off-road pocket dirt bike build. I hope you guys enjoyed that mini-series from part 1 to part 4. Leave it in the comments what you think I should do with this bike next. And just quickly before I end this one, guys, I want to say a big thanks to all the Skullcam subscribers, and look forward to the next episode of Skullcam. That's a wrap.